Controller sound test. We're gonna start with the Nintendo Switch controller, Pro Controller. My rating is a 7 out of 10, and it is plastic and light, really cheap, 7 out of 10. Next is the Xbox controller. The Xbox comes with this, so let's test it. I give it an 8.5 out of 10. And now the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller with trigger stoppers all the way to the shortest amount. I give it a 9.5 out of 10. This is heavy and it's really smooth. I like the trigger sounds. And also, with this controller, the Xbox that it comes with, the controller, I like the buttons, but it's like plastic, and I like the texture though. And yeah, thanks for watching.